Welcome to the Gopher Driver App tutorial, the only auto transport software you'll ever need. To begin, log in using the credentials provided by Dispatch. You can select Remember this device to stay logged in for future use. After logging in, you'll land on the Stops screen. This is a list of all pickup and delivery locations assigned to your trip. Tap the Info button on any stop to expand, or collapse additional details and view a preview. Along the bottom of each stop card are several action buttons. Map opens the stop location in your preferred navigation app. ETA lets you set or update your estimated arrival time. Set your arrival date, time, and tap on Select. Delay allows you to report a delay while en route. When you arrive on site, tap Arrive to begin working the stop. When you tap Arrive, any important notes for that stop will appear. You must acknowledge these by selecting I verify I have read these notes before continuing. At the top of the screen, you'll find several key actions. View BOL displays the most recent electronic bill of lading. Scan or View Docs lets you scan and upload documents or view existing ones. Add VIN allows you to add a vehicle by typing or scanning the VIN. Each vehicle appears as its own card with multiple options. Tap the three-dot menu to remove a vehicle if needed. Tap Photos to capture vehicle photos. You can select multiple photos. A green check mark indicates the photo has successfully uploaded to the server. Tap any photo thumbnail to open the gallery. From here, you can delete a photo or select Markup Photo. Choose a damage code and tap the diagram to place it. Saving a markup creates a copy and uploads it automatically. Tap Markup to open the vehicle damage diagram. Change body styles by tapping the Body Style selector. Select vehicle conditions such as starts, dirty, night, rain, snow, or enter a key count. Choose a damage code and tap the diagram to place it. Toggle Erase to remove markings added by mistake. Tap Save when finished. Exceptions allow free-form notes for anything you want to document. OEM codes use AIAG 5-digit damage codes. Select Location. Select Type. And finally, select Severity. The load step is the final action for each vehicle. Here you will enter or confirm the VIN, load direction and tied down status, starting odometer, extra cargo, trailer position, key counts. Tap Save and Load to complete the vehicle. After the final vehicle is loaded, you'll be taken to the completion screen. Review the information, then tap Mark Load Complete. The app will automatically use stored signature. Driver's signatures are stored after the first capture, and you don't have to sign every time. Enter the customer's name and email. Tap View Details if the customer wants a full review. Capture the customer's signature. You can also clear the signature by tapping here. Select Use Signature. You can read terms from here, check Agree to the terms, and finally click on Proceed to Outgate. The Outgate screen is your final review. It shows upload status for all photos, documents, and data. You may view the printed BOL or tap Mark Pickup Complete and Outgate to finish. If you need to make changes to any of the information, click the Details tab in the bottom left. This will navigate you back to the vehicle screen. Otherwise, if you are ready, click the Mark Pickup Complete and Outgate button. You'll be returned to the Stop screen. Once syncing is complete, the stop will be marked completed, and you can continue to the next stop. The delivery workflow follows the same process, except vehicles are unloaded and signed for delivery. And that's it! You're ready to run loads with Gopher. You can download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. Thanks for watching the video.